Ever sprinkled a little cumin on your dishes for that extra kick of flavor, but do you know the health benefits this flavorful spice holds? Welcome to the fascinating world of cumin, a common spice that's anything but ordinary. This potent little seed, brimming with a host of health benefits, has made its mark in kitchens around the globe. From aiding digestion to boosting your immune system, cumin packs a punch well beyond its size. Let's dive deeper into the health benefits of this flavorful spice. First off, cumin is a powerful digestive aid. This flavorful spice stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes, easing the breakdown of food and potentially alleviating symptoms of indigestion and bloating. Cumin's benefits extend beyond digestion. It's a remarkable source of antioxidants, including flavonoids and phenolic compounds. These natural defenders protect our cells from damage by free radicals, possibly reducing the risk of chronic diseases. So, while you're relishing the taste of cumin, you're also fortifying your body. But that's not all. Cumin has more health benefits to offer. If you're dealing with inflammation or blood sugar issues, cumin might be your new best friend. This zesty spice is packed with anti-inflammatory compounds that can help lower inflammation levels in your body. But that's not all. Cumin has also shown promise in improving blood sugar control. By increasing insulin sensitivity, cumin could be a potential ally for those with diabetes or individuals at risk. And it doesn't stop there. Cumin offers even more benefits. Looking to boost your heart health and manage your weight? Cumin can help. This versatile spice has been linked to lower levels of LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, risk factors for heart disease. It also helps to reduce blood pressure, fostering a healthier heart. What's more, cumin is a natural ally for weight management. It can rev up your metabolism and encourage fat loss, while its appetite-suppressing qualities may help prevent overeating. But the benefits of cumin extend even further. Cumin isn't just tasty, it's also a supportive friend to your immune system and bones. Loaded with antioxidants and boasting antimicrobial properties, cumin helps to fortify our immune system, shielding us from infections. But it doesn't stop there. This versatile spice is also rich in essential minerals like calcium and magnesium. Regular consumption of cumin could mean stronger, healthier bones with improved density. So, next time you're spicing up your dish, remember that you're also adding a dash of health support, and the list of cumin's health benefits goes on. From your lungs to your brain, cumin has got you covered. This flavorful spice has been used in traditional medicine to alleviate respiratory conditions like asthma and bronchitis, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. But its potential doesn't stop there. Some studies point to cumin's promising anti-cancer properties, particularly in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. And let's not forget the brain. With its rich antioxidant content, cumin may help protect brain cells, enhancing memory and concentration. And there's more to this amazing spice. Ladies, cumin may be your ally during that time of the month, and everyone, your skin might thank you too. Traditionally, cumin has been used to regulate menstrual cycles and soothe cramps. Its anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce discomfort. And let's not forget skin health. Applying cumin paste or oil could soothe irritations, reduce inflammation, and promote a healthy complexion. So from digestive aid to improved brain function, cumin truly offers a wealth of health benefits. So next time you're cooking, don't forget to sprinkle a little cumin for not just flavor, but a wealth of health benefits.